Yeah, they all have beaks. That's what birds have. Lily. They still want it, you just can't chase them. You gotta just stand still and throw out the food. Lily, stay close to Mommy, please. Come back this way. There you go. Look, there's seagulls over here by Mom. Right here. Don't chase them, though.
And behind you.
Yeah, there's seagulls everywhere over here. Stay back over here, okay? Here they come. Be nice. Just stand still. There you go.
Seagull want a drink?
Blasted.
Yeah. Are they funny? Yeah.
Seagull want a cracker.
Lily, say hi to Mommy for a minute. Kate's having fun watching him too. It's alright, they can't hurt you. Well, they could, but I don't think they will.
They're getting close to me.
That's because they want your fries. They think fries are delicious. They're saying, more, more. Or they're like in Finding Nemo. What did the seagull say in Finding Nemo? Do you remember?
They were Finding Nemo?
In Finding Nemo, the seagull say, mine, mine. Remember? Oh, they don't want the box, honey. Let's throw it in the garbage, yeah. Alright, come on, let's get Kate. Bye-bye, seagulls. You can't pet